Hi, this is Mallory with R2 Tech. This Dallas manufacturing company builds high-quality consumer and commercial products. They are hiring an Oracle Cloud HCM Developer. They have excellent salaries, outstanding benefits, and a top bonus program. Our client offers relocation and will transfer an H-1B visa candidate. You'll impact the company by driving the requirements and technical customizations for HCM initiatives in HR, payroll, learning, compensation, and recruiting, designing, developing, and customizing performance and compensation management projects, supporting HR integration with third-party providers and business applications, and guiding the team with the latest development and industry best practices. So if you have over 8+ years of IT experience in Oracle Cloud HCM customizations, highly skilled in recruitment, learn, and HCM, and have knowledge of fast formulas, workflow, time, and labor, please contact me. Feel free to forward this link to anyone who may be of interest. To find out more about this position and other jobs, send your resume to mmartinez@r2now.com. I'll talk to you soon.